Hello everyone, start off by cutting the top of an apple and then use the spatula in order to make these particular cut shapes out of it. It should look like the shape of flower petals. Now make a slice right through it and then cut off the outsides of it as well until you are left with the frame of a flower. Once you are done with it, add it into a bowl of water. Now take an apple and then take out this little scooper and then scoop out balls of the apple. Do this for the rest of the apple fruit that is remaining. Remove out all of the excess of this apple and then continue to form the balls. Once you have done as many as you can and you are only left out with the peel, you may remove all of the excess that cannot be used and then make small little holes using the same spatula that will make the V-shaped cuts at the top. Now after this, add some water to it and then continue to add in your balls. After this, add the top flower shape of the apple that you had initially cut out. Add this as a decorative topping or a decorative piece. Take 2 toothpicks and then stick it on one of the ends at the top. Add a cherry in the middle. Then take any other fruit such as a watermelon and then add it to the center. That is at the top of it. Add it on a plate. Next, take a watermelon and slice through one side of the watermelon as such. Now, make a V-shaped cut in the center and then change the sides and then continue to make V-shaped cuts until it looks like flower petals. Do this on all of the sides as such. Now, cut out the sides and then you will be left with only the frame of a watermelon. Do this for all of the sides. Finally, after you are done with this, take the bigger watermelon and then cut out a slice of it. After you have cut the fruit in half and taken the slice out, begin to make smaller pieces out of it. Cut off the peel of it as such. Leave only one small central portion of the peel and then make multiple slices out of this until it looks like a small little tree. Now arrange it on all of the sides and there you have it for presentation. This will be the final look of your dish. Next, start off by taking an apple and then cut 2 sides of it as such. Then cut off the top as well, put a toothpick through either of the sides and then stick out the apples as such. Now keep it aside, take another apple, cut out a small piece of it and then cut out one side of it. Cut out yet another side of it and make this V shape out of it. Then make a small indent in one of the sides in the middle. Make a small indent at the top as well. Cut out little triangular pieces, attach it in the middle as the nose and at the top as the ears. Add little seeds to make the eyes. Then stick it together and then you should have yourself a little owl. After this, make these V-shaped cuts in the apple piece that is left out. This can be used as the legs. Make 2 little pieces out of this and then use it as the legs on either side. Next, we will start off by taking a watermelon, slice out a bit of it and then cut out the portion that is the peel. Now make a slice out of the fruit portion of it, make a V-shaped cut at the top as such. After you are done with this, make multiple slices out of the watermelon and then arrange it in a zigzag shape as such by pushing one out, one in. After you are done with this, add it on a plate and there you have it. This will be the design that you have created. Next, take a watermelon, slice through it on one side of it, then make another small slice through it. After this, make a V-shaped cut at the top as such. Now, scrape out the bottom portion of it, that is the peel of it. However, do not go all the way to it. Make a V-shaped cut even at the bottom and this is what you should be left with. Then at the top, make slices out of it as such. Arrange it onto a plate. Make it in the shape of a butterfly as such. Make 2 of these, put one on top of the other. Thank you for watching.